What's going on, guys? We are with the Ford Ranger today, and as you can read from the title of the video, we are going to be switching out the wiper motor on it. So at the moment it's got 3 speeds on it, or 2 speeds, like 0 to 100. So I'll show you. So this is the wipers here. It's only got 1 speed, you can see. And if I want to like turn it off, it's got to be like just gotta time it right. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna be switching out the motor and then seeing if that fixes it. So yeah, let's get started. I think this is most of the stuff that you need here. But yeah, just gonna be. This is the actual motor right here. There's an access plate that you need to take off. I think it's 732 is the socket size, and then 3 bolts here, something like that. One, where's the other one? 2 right there, and then probably another one at the bottom, right underneath here. Yeah, down there. But yeah, get started taking it out. Taking it out, and then I'll work on taking off these bolts. For the ground, you're gonna want a 11 millimeter, and then 8 millimeters for the bolts holding on the actual motor. Alrighty, the bolts are taken out. Still pretty stuck on there. Let me take out this first. Alrighty, finally got this bolt on. This bolt holds on the arm lever of the wiper blade. So if you see right here, there's the arm that connects both these wiper blades, and there's a bolt that holds on the back of this motor that you have to take off. So it's kind of a tight squeeze. So yeah, finally got it off. Took it off. Just needed some elbow grease because this part was kind of stuck. There you go. It's stuck in that hole. So when I put it back, I'm gonna have to shove it back in that hole.
That's what she said.
Right now, I'm gonna take off this plate and then put it over to the new one. This is the new one. 8 millimeter bolt. Oh my god, fucking broke.
Ryan Little.
Alrighty, back onto the car. mostly connected. I'm gonna pop this in to see if it works. Nice, same thing. Well, it's good to know I spent 40 bucks and like 2 hours of my time for nothing. So, yeah. At least we got a new motor, and now we know how to change the wiper motor on in Ford Ranger. So, yeah. Until next time, I guess. See you guys later. Peace.
Disgusting. That sucks.